I see this beautiful camper here. I'm going to go knock on the door and see if anybody's home. It says, come on in. Let's see. She said, come on in. I'm coming in with a camera.
Oh, no, I'm cooking.
Okay, we're going to try this again. I think she's done now. She said, come on in. So let's try. We're coming back. All right,
Hello.
She's ready for us now. This is Marcia. And you've met her before with a different camper, and now she's going to show us her new camper. But first, she's going to show us what she was cooking.
This is for potluck tonight.
We're having a potluck.
Strawberry Twinkie dessert. We'll
wow. And there's a lot of
whipped cream on top of it.
Whipped cream on top. We're going to have some of that tonight. All right, so tell me first, what is the camper? What year and make?
1967 Streamline Duke.
And it is gorgeous.
And 24 foot long.
And her husband did all. How much of this did you do, Marcia? He did it all. But
Except
Marcia
decorate.
Marcia does the decorating. Oh, look at this. I'm going to show you from back here. This is the living room area. And that comes out into a bed.
Right.
And she's got it all real pretty. And then over here, look at that microwave. That matches the refrigerator.
It's retro.
That's a big
It's a full-size refrigerator.
It's big.
Holds a lot of food. A big old freezer.
So come here if you forgot your food like me.
Yeah, it's full.
And up here, she's got air conditioning. Look at the ceiling tile. And then over here is the kitchen area. It's just got a lot of detail. It's really nice.
Yeah.
And she is from Tennessee.
Yeah.
All right, so that back here is the bedroom area. Got 2 twin beds. And cabinet space.
Lots of cabinet space.
Yeah, lots of cabinet space. I probably wouldn't even fill all that. And then back here is the bathroom. It's a fully functional bathroom. She's got the toilet there. And over here is the shower.
2 closets.
Yep, closet here. Yeah. It's hard to tell because I'm close up, but
I know.
Let me see if I can get back here. So that's a closet there, and it's a matching one on the other side without the mirror. And then there's the vanity area. All right, it's really pretty. And there's Ellen's toy cars. That's her husband. And outside there's a gorgeous creek. We're at Moonshine Creek Campground in Sylva, North Carolina. There's more cabinets up there. And then we're going to walk around outside. Thank you, Marcia.
You're welcome.
We're going to get ready to go have some potluck.
Okay.
And
we'll see you out there.
And this is Marcia's group here. You see, it's got a Facebook group. Right there. Smoky Mountain Vintage Campers. And this weekend, we're camping with this group. Vintage Trailer Rallies of the Southeast. So look them up. They're both on Facebook. And we're going to go outside and see the outside.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marcia.
Thank you, Doreen.
See you at supper.
Okay.
This is a beauty. They just redid this. Her husband did it all. Look at that. So here's a view from outside. Looking in. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.